This is a live chart breakdown focused on market structure and liquidity, educational purpose only. This is not a signal stream. Let's get into it. Let's get into the charts. Oh, um, my name is TJ. Thank you guys for joining. Let's start off by sharing and thread that I am live for anyone that wants to join. Hope everyone is doing good. Today is December the 15th, 2025, Monday. I always get that messed up. All right, let's go over to my chart. So for my outlook, I have 8 pairs on my outlook, but at the moment I have one, two, three pairs that I'm very much interested in execution this morning. So let's see. The first one we're gonna go over is Euro CHF for our. Let's bring over my notes. Let's see if everything is showing good. I think everything is fine. Alright, so foreign effects 097 DF liquidity wave checklist. Higher time frame swing confirmation 12 hour to 1 hour 5 wave complete. Entry zone liquidity pullback. Higher time frame fib confluence lower time frame for execution. So at the moment I have the daily time frame 4 waves, 12-hour time frame 4 wave, 6 hour 4 wave, 4 hour 4 wave. So in my eyes, all time frames are in sync, going in the same direction. All time frame are in sync, going in the same direction, same relationship. So we should be looking for buy. My bias is buy. My entry triggers are gonna be a fib pull from the third leg to the fourth leg, respect of the fib fair value gap, 5 wave on the 45 minutes, 45 minutes break of structure, which is going to be the third leg, which is a lower high in my case. So not a lot of explaining other than that. Where price is sitting right now is a bit a high risk. I would like to see price come down a little bit lower before placing buys, but at the moment we're maintaining above this previous resistance, now turn into support. So I don't mind taking a buy from right here. As of now, for a short term buy, I would say maybe a scalp. So let's see, and we're gonna move along. The second pair is GBP USD. Let's bring notes. So the notes still remain the same. The only difference is the wave. So the daily time frame, where is my logo? So the daily time frame has 3 wave, 12-hour, 3 wave, 6 hour mixed structure, 4 hour mixed structure. So we only have, in my eyes, 2 time frame going in the same direction, and we have 2 time frames that are very mixed. They don't have a very solid, clear direction on where price would like to go. So this pair, it should be at the third. So when we're finished, we're gonna move it. So this would be at the third. First one is high probability, so it's at the top. And entry trigger is still going to remain the same, which is fib pull from third leg to fourth leg, respect of fib, fair value gap, 5 wave, and 45 minutes, break of structure, and 45 minutes, which is going to be the third leg, lower high, to confirm the directional bias. So on this pair as well, I'm bullish, looking to place buys. Moving along, my favorite pair, GBP, JPY, GJ. So daily 4 wave, 12-hour 4 wave, 6-hour 4 wave, 4-hour 4 wave. Everything, every time frame I should say, is in sync. We're very much on a strong bullish movement, so I don't even want to force a trade on GJ, because with my experience, I know a correction, I'm not saying it has to happen right now, but from my experience, I know a correction must take place before price pushing higher. So let's fix this. This goes above, so we're gonna have it like this. Right now I'm waiting for the new 12-hour and 6-hour time frame to close, so I could somewhat have a understanding on where price wants to go from here. So on GJ, it seems like we want to maintain above this short-term fib, alongside maintaining above that support. And Euro CHF, it seems like we want to stay below this resistance. You know, I would like to see we break above before placing a buy. So for the 12-hour, it's not really, looking that good at the moment. And GBP USD, we're maintaining above this support, so that's good. I wanted a deeper retracement. We got a slightly retracement, but the way I'm looking at it is we have this liquidity sitting right here, and then we created that liquidity, so we could potentially go for those two liquidity. So I mean, it's alright move. 100 something change. That's good. That's good. I have this, but this is very much, I need a deeper. So this one is a New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. Likewise, I'm still waiting for a pullback on this one. So daily 3 wave, 12-hour 3 wave, 6-hour 3 wave, 4-hour 5 wave. So this would be the fourth pair. Alright, let's start back from the top. Go on the 6-hour now and see what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the 6 we are confirmed. If we pull a fib, we're a little bit, didn't get that nice rejection, so it's not so wonderful. So 6 hours not so wonderful. As 4-hour, we're farming a new structure, so we need this to continue play out. I don't need to go any lower. I don't need to, but let's see. So under 45 minutes, which is my entry, we have our structure for a Nice buy right here. So we just need a pullback to take price higher. Like that. But honestly, I'm not gonna rush it. I need this to be clear as well. 4 hour. I know the overall trend is bullish, but I need clarity. Quality over quantity. So I'm not gonna chase a buy on that. GG. It's under 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could do 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking to take price higher. Honestly, I'm not looking to see price break this structure, but we could do another retest here or create a lower high, something like that. So a lower high, we get a nice 50 pip for a lower high. That's good. 45 is we maintaining above the fib on the 45, so the 45 is solid. But I want to see a new structure farm. If I miss the trade, it is what it is, but I'm waiting for all my confirmation. Six. Almost close. Let's see the next. This one is top notch. GBP USD. But I don't like, oh, we didn't print a high low or something on the 12 hour. 12 hour, 6 hour didn't print. 4 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's confirmed. 4 hour is confirmed for the new week. For a push. We didn't, yeah, we swapped liquidity right here. So we did a short-term liquidity sweep right there. Not very strong. Let's see. I don't like this buy that much because I don't know. Let's see this one. This one is even a higher risk. The trend is bullish, so to take a buy is not wrong, you know. So we need to see liquidity sweep. So this has no liquidity sweep, so there's no point in taking a high buy and that. Oh, I almost forgot about my baby. That's why this one was very much, it's a good thing I'm going down, you know. I think this is the pair that I should have had at my top. So this is Euro NZD. So Euro NZD, I'm looking for a buy. So daily time frame 5 wave, 12 hour, 5, 6, 5, 4, 5. Everything is just perfect on this. So the new structure, which is the current week we are in, I don't know if I did highlight. So it's December the 15th to December the 19th. That's the new week we're in right now. So 12 hour, I really don't like the 12 hour because we didn't break the resistance. We're maintaining. So honestly, even if I see price comes back, respect, I would take a buy, even though we're maintaining the resistance. As we go lower, you're gonna see why. So let's go to the 6 hour. So on the 6 hour, you can see we're 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 waves at the moment on the 6. The 5th would be our entry. 4, what I mean by that, we create a new high, so that's good. But this could be a liquidity sweep to push price even lower. So we're not just gonna jump blindly. I want to see a pullback before I look to enter any trade on that. I think I put it at the wrong place. Where's GJ? This one, I don't like this one, so GBP USD, I don't like it. So let me focus more on GJ. Let me double check again. So GJ is alright. This not ready as yet. This is alright as well. GJ, this is alright. So this go up, this go up. This, nope. Nope. I don't see no solid structure, which is a higher low. So we're gonna look at GJ and Euro CHF for right now. Bada boom, bada bang. My goal is to go live all year next year, 2026. So let's see if I could be consistent. So the 4-hour gonna close soon. Bada boom, bada bang. I wish I could play music, yo. I wish I could. That's alright. Oh, GJ, 45 minutes. No, we're in the 5th wave. I know that. We're in this fair value gap. On over. So right now, I'm sorry. So this will be confirmed as the low of day right there on GJ. So I would like to see price come back a little bit lower. That show me that he wants to maintain above. But so far we're doing good. Not chasing. Not gonna rush. Where am I? Pit. One. Because I'm saying I need to be organized. Big rejection. Sheesh. Alright, the 4-hour is over it. If this doesn't pull back, it makes no sense to enter. We want to see a higher low on the 4-hour. And GJ is still pumping. 6-hour, new 6-hour close. Probably would like a retest. 12-hour, 11 more hours. So 4-hour. I'm gonna use 4-hour, 6-hour, 1 hour. So 1 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 3 time frame. I think I'm gonna put all my focus on just GJ. This, nope. Yeah, just GJ. Let me put on my indicator now. So this is my personal indicator that I create. So I'm checking if we had gotten any signal from it. Alright, we didn't get no signal. I don't know. My coffee is cold. My coffee is cold. When I was making the coffee, I put a lot of milk than cream. I put a lot of milk than coffee, I should say. Oh. I know one of my friend, he would, if he's awake, he would join. Let me see. Good morning again for anybody that's just joining, even though I'm looking and there's no one there. Consistency rule 1.0. Show up even when no one is there. Show up. It's been 24 minutes already, almost 30 minutes since I've been live. But it says, excellent. Alright, we're doing that pullback. 45. Let's mark this. So LOD, low of day. The 45. 1 hour, I'm not really placing my. I used to, but I'm not gonna do it no more. Place my buys based off the 1 hour. So, hopefully this coffee is hot enough now. A little bit better. Yeah, I didn't do it for. Yeah, I think I did. So 45 minute. Um, 45 minute. You see, we have um. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're in the fifth leg right now. So once it could maintain, we could look for something to take price higher. So we could remove that. Could also remove that fib because I know overall what needs to be done when looking for a trade. So basically, on the 12-hour time frame, you can see it would be a pullback. So I'll be looking to take a pullback rather than a full move. Pullback for the continuation to continue going lower. How do I? Oh, it's there. I'm about to live trade. I'm trading. I have 8 pairs on my watch list, but at the moment, I'm focusing on GBP JPY. That's the British pound versus Japanese yen. Forex. Good morning. Did that answer your question, Alex? So I'm basically doing live chart breakdown and live execution. For GJ doesn't look like he wants to pull back. Alright. If you're still here, considering you're my only viewer, I could break down the chart for you. honestly, exit could be anywhere right there. Just see, we have this fair value gap. Six. This is one, but I don't like 4 hour confirm. 1 hour confirm. A 6 hour has no solid swing structure. So I'm gonna let that one run. GG on the other hand. I don't want to say I overanalyze, but I want my stops to be at the low of day. I'm not trying to rush in, get stopped out. We have this bearish fair value gap right here. We could hold as a resistance. I'm gonna be here until like 7 o'clock. If I don't see a valid setup by then, makes no sense to be on the chart. Where is it? Let's fix this up, because I think this is the only asset I'll be looking to take a position on. So anyone joins, they could see the thought process. I think I did check. Not very important. Nothing important is coming out. That could affect GJ. This is the part that nobody talks about. Waiting for a setup is boring. Waiting for a setup is boring. Waiting for the right opportunity for it to pay off is not. I like this entry model on GBP USD, but I know I should stay away because it's not solid.
So near weight, no energy. It's about time to grind.
Abi FX is always killing it, man. Shout out to Abi.
Let's get paid. I'm gonna be trading live on YouTube.
Always killing it. My boy bought a Ferrari. Crazy GJ's pumping, man. Ugh. Let's check all the time frames. 1 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour. Didn't do it. I hope y'all could see my chart clearly. It says my internet quality is excellent. wish I know how to play music without getting copyrighted. Or I could just play my headphone. Yeah, that's a good idea. Even though y'all won't hear it, I could hear my music and relax. Still interacting, just that I'm music. Alright, we don't need this to be in the way no more. You see, I know it's all about consistency, so the more I do it, the more audience I probably will get. But the audience really doesn't matter. It's just that I would like to provide value to a lot of person. But the audience, it doesn't matter. Um, yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. My way, yeah. I end of 45 minutes. Yeah, we did respect it. We did respect this. Like we we didn't come all the way down. Yeah, we slightly tapped into it in the fib. We did respect that. Are we playing inside of a Fair Valley gap? Yep. So I'm just checking off my checklist. 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything is checked for a solid buy. Yeah, sure. That's what we like to see. All time high. Running from my birthplace. I could hear the wind outside. It's cold, man. It's cold. YouTube, recommend my video to people, man. The reason why I'm looking like that is because I just saw something that my little sister done to my monitor, man. Nas just been choppy, yo. Glory be to God to those that trade Nas. Alright, let me see. 1 week. Choppy, choppy, choppy. 2 week. For the past 2 weeks, Nas been chopping around. Crazy. I bet US 30 be doing the same thing as well. Could have swear oh, it's in my auto watch list. I didn't analyze it, so that's why it's not there. Bitcoin, Bitcoin. GJ is just tempting. It's just annoying to look at what this little girl has done, man. She used a pen to draw on my screen. Like, why? What would influence you to do that, man? Babies is just. Damn, it's almost been an hour. think 80% could save me. Bada boom. If you got wrong, I have one more hour left, and then we call it a day for the session. Why am I seeing this little bit of outlook? Frankly, me, me, me. I know it's December, but God dang, it's 18 degrees outside. Price been at this price point for 1 hour. Crazy. It's more than 1 hour. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 hour. For ban. There's no volume within the market right now. Alright, looks like price doesn't want to come back down. But it also looks like there's no volume. I know. I guess we could put it below that one. Or we could inverse this fair value gap, retest 45. We retest this demand, but it wasn't a double rejection retest. And the 5 minute, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a good buy. So where we at right now is not a good buy. At least right there. Bish, we good. Feast. Oh. Designer was smoking on. Demonized, no niggas on demon time. Demonized, no niggas on demon time. Good for me. So the idea behind live, why it really makes sense, when you're live, you gotta keep yourself accountable for your action. That's one. Two, when I'm trading, majority of the time I'm by myself, bored. Like right now, I'm here by myself, bored. So if I'm live, maybe here and there, I could have one and two person, you know. So yeah, I get. It's the first day, so what to expect? Not a lot of person. At least I had one person join, and then the next person was me and my other page. So realistically, two. uh, I mean, there's no volume in the market right now. Um, let's look again. At 8:30, news is coming out, but as for Canada, I guess period. News is coming out for US period as well. But right now is ass. There's no volume. No volume. No volume within the market. Alright, let's. I've been doing it, but let's get more active. Um, Posting on Tread. Ooh. Today's one. Like since I've been here, there has been two. This is the second 1 hour candle. I mean the five wave. This is kind of firm, but volume is slow. I'm tempted to take these buys, but the 5 minute, I don't like the 5 minute because we print one, two, three, four wave, but we didn't form a higher low, so that's not good. And the five on the 50 minute, I would be buying into a lower high. That's not good either. I would, if it's a higher low, sure, but a lower high, nah. 45 minutes. So basically, I'm on my entry time frames right now. 45 minutes. There is no swing point farmers yet, but I'm assuming this is gonna be a lower high if we respect this fair value gap. Honestly, I'm not looking to see price go very far. I'm not a wizard, nor am I trying to predict, but I just believe we're due for a retracement. I'm not predicting. I'm reacting to what the market shows. Like this, still that's not ready either. This, I was I was looking at it, but I don't like how it looks. Like the swing point, like crazy. 12 hour has no swing point, or swing higher low, I should say. 6 hour don't. 4 hour has it. 1 hour has it as well, but that's not good enough. So that's lining up, but I'm not interested in that. The only one I'm interested in is GJ, where um, so 6 hour has a swing, which is a higher low. 4 hour has a swing, which is a higher low within a fair value gap as well. 1 hour has a swing, which is a lower low within a fair value gap as well. And on my checklist, I have everything checked. So fib check, respect, fib check, fair value gap check, 45 minute wave check, breakout structure check. So last week we did broke structure, 2 hour left. So everything is there, but the confirmation to buy, or not buy, but to execute. The confirmation to buy is there, but to execute as of right now is not there. It's gonna be 2 hours soon. Yeah, it's taking over the world, man. I know you have people buying because I was gonna be one of those person to buy. But I know the volume is not there and everything is not confirmed for a solid buy. So even if we're looking at the five, we did a internal breakout structure on the 5. 15, we haven't done the break as of yet. We haven't done the break as yet. Where price is sitting right now, basically ranging, like literally we've been ranging. And it's inside a fair value gap, looking at it. Now, I know we've been maintaining as well the fair value gap and that swing structure on the lower time frame. And even if I look to my left with my fib, this is a support area, so we're maintaining that resistance. Yeah. Crazy, man. I know this early morning combo gonna work on my stomach, but I just got me a slice of bread. I think like 3 scoop of yogurt, apple juice, and a bottle of water. Must be nice. Now, if I had enter, I would have got cooked. So you could have all your confluence, and just because you break your rule, not because you're wrong, but not patient enough, you get cooked. It happened to me a lot. So this is why I said having a live YouTube live, I gotta keep myself accountable. I'm not trying to take a loss on live. So I gotta be extra patient. There you go. Hey, that's why I'm reading a thread. Somebody said, I am a trader without capital. Somebody says, that's just the beginning. A good comment. Somebody says, sell your phone, trade. Bro, if I sell my phone, how am I gonna trade? Next one said, do demo trading. I'm cool, but I wanna make money, so why would I stuck in the demo? Somebody says, caps lock everything. I'm not even gonna comment on it. I gotta entertain myself. So I gotta look at something. I do something. Somebody 4 minutes ago update Bitcoin buys. Man, I'm staying away from Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is not ready for nothing. But I'm not gonna comment and say that because whatever you see, bro. I don't see what you see. Ah, why? Why would you do that to me, man? 15 minutes, somebody's selling Bitcoin. Imagine that person see somebody buying Bitcoin. Let me see. If I could post a thread. Live trading. Let me see if it's gonna show me live trading. These are not that recent. 22 hours ago, 1 day ago. Oh my god. Yes, I'm now sharing my trading journal live on Discord. What I'm buying, holding, blah, blah, blah. Scalping, live trading, watching, recording, real. Okay, stock market. Somebody says trading law, execute your trades like a robot. Ignore your emotion. That's true, but it's hard to do. We're humans, man. I'm not gonna comment on it. I'm not gonna comment on it. You know, like my top top three favorite Jamaican traders. Pajama Billionaire has to be number one. Then Q Banks, and then Javi FX. It it, it's really like Pajama, Q Banks. I don't want to compare both of them, but like for me, both of them is like number one. Q, crazy. Pajama, crazy. Javi FX, crazy. Both crazy. Both crazy. Don't. I know I'm eating dry bread. Hopefully, one day I get to meet all three of them. What I was gonna do? Oh, trying to post a thread, but I don't know what to say. Somebody, six, 5 hours ago, somebody was selling gold, and it, dang, 4,000, 4,000 in Drado. I see a like two bullish engulfing candle. I'm not even supposed to laugh, but crazy. Where's gold? Yeah, like okay. I guess you just enter too early, my boy. Ay. Like gold, gold need to come back down before me even look for nothing upon gold. Like the old me would be so proud, man. I'm not trying to chase no market. You either gonna come to me, give me my perfect setup before I execute. Alright, that's it. So in the next 20 minutes I'm about to hop off this live. Hop back on at 9:30. I'll be here by 9. 9. Mama Dukes is coming over though. I don't know if he's gonna be camera shy. Well, for now, there's no setup. Like, there's a setup, but entry wise, no, it's not there. Dang, somebody's looking to buy gold and the 2 hour. Oh, that's in the past. It played out. So I'm like, bro, no way you're gonna look to buy gold right now. Sheesh. Like gonna try to be consistent with going live, where my live analysis and execution is my documentary proof. You know, where I could go back, watch, see what did I do right, what did I do wrong. People could look at it as well. Yeah. on my OBS, I'm trying to make sure everything is nice for the viewers. Alright, look. It's about to be 2 hours since price been sitting right there. No momentum. You know, let me try this. Let me see what it looks like. Shit. I see other people have it on the left. How do I get it on the left? Ugh. Alright. I'm just bored looking at stuff right now. Yo, no, no Kizzy by Lambo Raoul. I really respect Lambo Raoul, you know, apart from the allegations. But I'm not saying nothing is wrong with his trading, but the way how he's trading with the heat map, the volume profile, and all of those stuff, bro, it's so hard for me to understand his charts these days. So when I watch his videos nowadays, I don't look for a breakdown or none of that because I'm not gonna get it. But lifestyle content, sure. But honestly, in general, I think it's not me being cocky, but at this point, I reach where I don't really look for nobody for knowledge like that no more. I'll just look at manifestation content where I'm like, that's some type of shit that I'll be doing when I'm at that level in my trading career. Yeah. But Lambo Raoul, nice. FX Alex G, nice. Those boys be killing Miami, man. Long term, I haven't been to a lot of places, but long term, I would like to be in Miami. Not because of the Miami vibes, but yeah, it's big motion. But I mean, I've been there 2 times. The 2 times I went there, I fell in love. It feels like home. The weather, crazy. I like the weather. I love the weather. Strilla. School, school. Man, mad respect to all the content creators. I'm not a content creator, but mad respect to y'all. I don't know how y'all do it. Like starting out where you was trying to grow your account. I've been trying to do this for 3 years. 3 years. Not even 10. Not even 10 subscribers I'm gonna get. Majority of the subscriber was like family or friend. Like, nah, bro, I want organic subscribers. Like, look, right now I'm on this video. Not even 5 person, just 1 person stop by and that's it. But it's all about consistency, repetition. So just stay on the grind. 2026, I'm locked in on my live. So I'll be live trading and stuff like that on YouTube. And then hopefully I get to the level where I could play music and don't get copyright See, right now I'm just listening music in my headphone. Y'all not hearing what I'm hearing. And then